Hi there, welcome to Power Motion YouTube channel. 2 years ago, I had made a video regarding folding bike 26-inch versus 20-inch folding bike. So today, this video, I'm gonna give you another updated video. So it's gonna be a little bit more condensed. So basically, one of the reasons you getting a folding bike is basically you want to be able to travel around or take your bike to go somewhere else. So today, this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all the different wheel size and to explain to you what wheel size that you want to for the different requirement that you have here. So what I have here, I have a Bike Friday. So the wheel size on this particular bike is 16-inch. And then on here, I have the Turn D8. So this is a 20-inch wheel size. And then the last one, I have the Montague Paratrooper. This is a 26-inch wheel size. So first of all, the smaller wheel size will allow you to be able to fold a lot more compact. So if space are premium to you, meaning that you need to be able to fit this bike in a certain spacing, then you may want to consider either a 16-inch wheel size or 20-inch wheel size. The other thing is having a smaller wheel is generally allow you to be able to fold the bike and fit into the suitcase. So if you are thinking travel, say through airline, you want to take your bike to France or take your bike to a different country and be able to ride it when you're traveling, then definitely a smaller wheel size will allow you to do that. On the opposite side, bike like a Paratrooper Montague, they're much more bigger wheel size. So the bigger wheel size will give you a much more better comfortable ride, and generally they have more gear. So on this particular bike, there's exactly 27 gear. So that means it will allow you to climb here a lot more better. So the bigger wheel size will give you better comfort, especially when you're riding in a rough area. So the bigger wheel size will allow you to run over objects a lot more easier. So before you choose a folding bike, you kind of have to understanding what your requirement is. Is the space premium to you? If the space is premium to you, you definitely want to choose a smaller size, like a 16 or 20-inch. But if comfort is more important to you and the spacing requirement is not as important, then definitely a 26-inch wheel size will be a much more better choice. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you can find the information that you need. Thank you.